going to say here, right? That's the thing my profit. I'm trying to optimize it. So make sure we pick the right thing. What am I trying to do with the objective? It is to max, right? It's not cost, it's profit. So I want to maximize my profit. Now, what's my changing cells? What is it that I want? Well, we select the pink, right? So that's what I'm going to ask it to figure out the best numbers. Now we add constraints. Okay? So now we've already told it that, okay, you put in the right numbers there in order to optimize profit. Now we're going to go ahead and add some constraints. And what are my constraints? If I'm going to be specific, it's the first one, right? In fact, before I ever do it, by the way, as again on the exam, often what you want to do, maybe you jot a note or put it somewhere, you say, how many constraints do I have so I can make sure I have that many in the constraint box? I noticed this less than or equal to, so those are two constraints. So I got 1 and 2, right? Each of these have to be less than the resources I have, which is time and money. Any other constraints I might have? Or is that it? Aha, let's check and see if that's true. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select the first one, which is B13. Total time must be less than D13, which is 480 minutes. I'm going to add the next constraint, which is total cost, which is B15, has to be less than how much money I got. Okay, so total cost has to be less than 1,000, which is D15. So I'm going to say OK. So now I can see, you already know, you guys know what's up.